What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AJ Supreme, and we back with another video, bruh. So, I ordered some sneakers. They came in the mail today. And I'm excited to see how they look, like, in real life. Like, I seen them online. They fire, you feel me? So, I decided to buy them in real life to see, like, if I could get dripped out in them, you know what I'm saying? But, I got the box right here. Ooh, almost show my track thing. You wildin'. But first things first. Like, comment, and subscribe if you new. Comment down below what type of videos y'all want to see, bro. Like, honestly, I want to do stuff for y'all, you feel me? I want to give away my Young Boy shirts, to be honest. Like, if you want some of them, just comment down below. And like, comment, subscribe, and share the video, bro. Share the video, bro. You eat, I eat, we all eat, bro. Come on now. So I got the box right here, and we finna open it up, like, live, right in front of you. Oh, man. Woo! We got some heat, bro. Got these bubble wraps.
Boy, if you don't...
Damn. Bro, I barely heard pops. Like, what's the vibes? But we got it authentic, bro. We got it from StockX. Authentic. You already know it's authentic. God damn! Get out the... Alright. Oh. My fault. My fault. You know what I'm saying? But hey, look. Got the...
Oh!
Smell like ass. Got the authentic box. I got the CEO sending me letters, bruh. Like, come on, now. That's for me, bruh. That's for me. Oh, what is this? Yeah, Jordan 4 Retros. We got Jordan 4s. And I'm finna open it. Ooh. Bro, these is fire, bro. Look at them. Fire. We got the authentic StockX authentic verification. We got the Jordan. Like, it's suede. The material is suede, by the way. And these are Raptors 4s, by the way. I'm sorry, my fault. These are Jordan Raptor 4 Drake OVOs, the 2019 versions. These is fire, bro. Like, to be honest, like, the material is great. I ain't even gonna hold you. Brand new, authentic, bro. Straight from StockX. Like, the feeling on these, it feels real good. It feels soft and good, like, authentic, bro. And put this on like these, you know what I'm saying? And get the other one. I thought it had OVO on the back though. Like, that would have been fire if I had the OVO symbol on the back. That probably cost way more though. Like, the one with the OVO symbol probably cost like 1,000, bro. I seen some Jordans. I think it's the Kentucky 8s, bro. Those is fire, bro. I think they Drake Jordans too though. But these is fire. We finna try them on right in front of you guys. Finna try them on right here. I'll be back. Let me put some pants on, cause nigga ain't got on no pants.
Huh?
You know, pause for you niggas, but ladies, you know what I'm saying? Hit me up in the DM, bro. I'm saying.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
So what's up? I'm back. I got on some pants. And I just noticed I had on the do-rag matching the colors. Man, that's tough. Alright, so let me try these on. Damn, drop it the camera everywhere. That valley. This ain't my bed, so don't be on no weird stuff in the comments. You dig? We been moving money in a spiral. Damn. Alright. I ain't even finna go through all the energy trying to tie these joints. Oh, nah, I can't fit them like that. 4K trait. Everybody under the skies mainly scheming. These hoes will set you up, tell you they love you, they don't mean it. Fill a syrup, I'm leaning. Smoking with the demon. Send my youngin' that to the nigga, give me a reason. I heard a nigga say they turn me up, get off of they don't like the fact that now I'm blowing up, you get on you. I don't in my time, ain't nobody give me. I'm about my own car, started my own dealership. Shout out to YB. Don't mind the clothes up there. Them ain't mine. Them ain't mine. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these fire for sure. These fire for sure. By the way, these my first pair of fours, bro. I ain't never had Jordan 4s. These my first pair. Did I mess this up? No, I didn't. My first pair. We've been moving money in a spiral. Money keep coming in. I can't lose. Hey.
Oh!
Y'all need light, right? Yeah, y'all need light. Y'all want to see more clear? I got y'all. I got y'all, bro. I saw it. Try not to crease these. I just got them. Oh yeah, y'all finna love me. We in the kitchen with it.
Oh!
The 8 the shoot. Alright, bro, we just gonna ignore that. But look, the shoes is fire. I really like them. And I want to see what y'all think about them down below in the comments section. You feel me? Because I'm really messing with them, bro. Y'all messing with them? Comment down below if y'all messing with the shoes, bro. And this is another review. I got jeans that I want to do a review on too. I'm gonna drop that video probably tomorrow or someday this week. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And we out this thing. Hold on, let me show y'all the sneakers one more time. One more time. Off the feet. Off the feet. Let me get a thumbnail. Five, right? Five. Alright, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.